Best 10 with rocket launcher. Got it filled up halfway with the bottle. Pumped it up to 50 psi. Gonna show you guys a soak cam of me getting wet because I have to launch it. And I just want you guys to see how fast this thing takes off. So, is that getting good? It does, okay. Put my hood on so I don't get so wet. 50 psi, it's rock solid. Alright. Holy smokes. Pretty crazy. Let's do it again. Except this time I'll show you guys a view of it up there. Alright guys, it's pumped up to 50 psi. I'm gonna launch it. This time you guys don't get a soak cam, but it's gonna be kind of hard. I don't know if it's gonna go high enough or if it's gonna go taller. I don't know. We're about to see. Firing in 3, 2, 1. Man, I hope I got that. Well, this is Hybrid Best 10. Thank you for watching. I'll do more videos on the rocket launcher and my rocket when I'm done with it. Thanks for watching.